it's Amaryllis from Eau Décor. Today I will show you how you can make a very nice display shelf with a little arch on top. It's very easy to make, you don't need any power tool, so I hope you will enjoy crafting with me today.
To make the shelf you will need cardboard boxes, a cookie tin, masking tape, cutter, scissors, a pencil, glue, paint and baking powder. Take the cardboard and cut strips of 4 inches width. The strips must be more or less 32 inches length. Wrap the first cardboard piece around the empty cookie tin and tape it around the upper part of the box. Try to center the cardboard on the tin so you have the same length of cardboard on each side, and it will be easier to tape the base after that. As you can see, I taped the cardboard on the box back too. Take a small piece of cardboard to make the base of the shelf. This piece of cardboard must have the same dimension as the cookie tin diameter, so you just have to tape the cardboard with the edge of the arch. If you need, don't hesitate to trim a little the cardboard so you have a perfectly level shelf. The shape of the shelf is made, and as you can see it's all wonky. No worries, we will add more layers of cardboard and the shelf will be strong at the end. Time to glue another layer of cardboard. Add glue on the shelf and place a second cardboard strip on it. Press and hold with masking tape while the glue dries. As you can see, this craft uses a lot of masking tape. Don't hesitate to tape all the cardboard layers very well. You can put masking tape in front and on the back of the shelf. It's no problem, it will be covered after all. As you can see, I have a little extra cardboard at the bottom of the shelf, so just trim them following the base, and it's the easiest way to have a nice finished shelf. Then you take another piece of cardboard and you glue a second layer of cardboard on the base of the shelf, and you tape it also. You know, this craft, it's a lot about masking tape, so glue it and tape it. This is the shelf with 2 layers of cardboard. It's nice, and then you will have to add 3 more layers to have really a strong shelf. So at the end of the craft you will have 5 layers of cardboard. I tried with 4, it was not enough, so I would suggest you to make 5 or more if you want something a little thicker, or if your shelf is a little bigger than mine. Add another layer for the base and glue it, tape it. It's the same process for each layer of cardstock, so just keep gluing. The shelf is now made with 5 layers of cardboard, so you can remove the tin. Just cut along the edge tin with a cutter and remove it. As you can see, we are not over with masking tape, so you will tape the inside of the arch and the outside and all the edges to hide the little waves you can see in the cardboard. So the thing is trying to have a very nice and smooth finish to then apply the paint. And keep taping along the edge of the shelf. So yeah, told you, this craft is about masking tape. And done. The shelf is completely covered with masking tape. I didn't tape the back of the shelf, it was enough masking tape like that. So now it's time to apply the paint. Pour a little paint in a container and mix it with baking powder. The baking powder will make the paint thicker, and also it will give the paint a nice terracotta texture. It's very nice for this craft because it will cover a little all the masking tape and the cardboard imperfection. I don't have the exact proportion for the baking powder and the paint, but the paint must be a little thick and it has to make like little bubbles. So when you consider that the thickness is nice, you can start to apply a first coat of paint on the shelf. I applied 3 coats of paint on the shelf, and I didn't made the baking powder mix and the paint in advance because it dries very fast. So each time I was applying a new coat of paint, I did made a little more of the mixed. Also, I did let dry the paint very well between each coat. And the shelf is done. Now it's time to hang it on the wall. I used velcro adhesive tape. The shelf is very lightweight, so it was perfect to use that kind of adhesive.
So the shelf is done, and I already put some velcro tape on the back. I use this one, and I put them on the wall too. So the only thing you have to do is just put the shelf just in front of the velcro, press a little, and done. Your shelf is on the wall. And just have a nice decorative touch. And that's it. You can enjoy your new shelf.